For colleagues that want to go into the Levo therapy system with their patients, one, hopefully, I want to see you have a love and a passion for helping patients that have tinnitus and wanting to get them to a better place, and enjoying learning and enjoying knowing that the Levo System Company has and provides amazing support from the developer, Daniel, and Matt, our local rep. They are exceptional in just really providing the training to really give you the confidence to make sure to be able to have the skills to make the adjustments to help the patient get the proper tinnitus match, which really, I believe, complements the best success for the patient. For me, as a clinical audiologist, the principles of residual inhibition and neuroplasticity and rewiring of the brain, just that it's just an easy device to implement and to teach patients to use. And it was just easy to facilitate and get the support from the company to really just get the best outcomes for the patient.